Today we're a common AdSense question: how to remove a website from your AdSense dashboard account. If you've ever wanted to clean up your AdSense account by removing old or unused sites, stick around. I'll guide you step by step. Before we jump into the steps, you might wonder, why would you need to remove a site from AdSense? Well, maybe you've sold a website, rebranded, or simply want to keep your dashboard clutter-free. Whatever the reason, let's get into it. Step 1. Sign in to Google AdSense. First, log in to your Google AdSense account at adsense.google.com. Step 2. Go to Sites in the menu. Once logged in, look for the Sites option in the left sidebar menu. Click on it to see all the websites linked to your AdSense account. Step 3. Find the website you want to remove. Step 4. Click Remove next to the website. Hover over the site and you'll see a Remove button. Click on it and AdSense will ask for confirmation. Before you go, keep these key points in mind. Removing a site does not delete its AdSense data. Past earnings and reports will still be available. If the site was approved for ads, removing it means you'll need to reapply if you want to monetize it again later. Double-check that you're removing the correct site. It can't be undone easily, and that's how you clean up your AdSense dashboard, by removing unwanted websites. If this helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help.